Hi, meet the 3-in-1 Smart Robot, a single robot that can work in 3 different modes: obstacle avoidance, Bluetooth control, and voice control. Now let's get into it. In this project, we will use first we have the Arduino UNO, the brain of our robot. Next, the AL298N motor driver module, responsible for driving the motors and providing speed control to the robot. The ultrasonic sensor helps the robot detect obstacles and avoid collisions by measuring the distance of objects ahead. One mounting bracket for the ultrasonic sensor. A servo motor rotates the ultrasonic sensor left and right, allowing it to scan for a clear path. The HC05 Bluetooth module allows us to control the robot wirelessly from a mobile phone. A smartphone with a Bluetooth control app is used to send movement commands to the robot. One breadboard, one screwdriver, jumper wires, one double battery holder with switch, 2 lithium-ion batteries, one USB cable to upload the code to the Arduino board, and one 4-wheel acrylic car chassis to mount all components and ensure stability. If you want to learn how to assemble the 4-wheel acrylic chassis, click on the I button above. We have already uploaded a detailed video tutorial to guide you step by step. Now let's assemble the circuit. Place the AL298N motor driver on the top side of the chassis. The AL298N motor driver has 2 output channels labeled as out 1, out 2, out 3 and out 4. Now pick one wire of motor 1 and one of motor 2 diagonally. Insert it in output 1 of the motor driver. Then pick the other wire of motor 1 and motor 2 and insert it in output 2. Similarly, connect the motor 3 and 4 to output 3 and 4. Take the double battery holder and paste it here. Insert this red wire in the plus 12 volt slot and tighten the screw. Similarly, insert this black wire in the ground slot of the motor driver. Now fix the Arduino board here. First of all, power the Arduino from the motor driver. To do so, insert one wire from 5 volt slot of motor driver to the VIN pin of Arduino and insert one wire from GND of motor driver to the GND of Arduino. Remove these clips. This motor driver is controlled by 3 input pins per side. Enable A, input 1 and input 2 for motor 1 and 2, and enable B, input 3 and input 4 for motor 3 and 4. Insert male to female jumper wires in these pins. Connect the enable A and enable B pins to 2 PWM pins on the Arduino, which means pulse width modulation pins. Here I am connecting it to pin number 6 and 11 respectively. These pins will control the speed of the motors. Connect IN1 and IN2 pins of motor 1 and 2 to digital pins on the Arduino. Here I am connecting them to pin number 7 and 8 respectively. These pins control the direction of motor 1 and 2. Similarly, connect the input 3 and input 4 pins of motor 3 and 4 to other digital pins like 9 and 10 respectively. These pins will control the direction of motor 3 and 4. Now take the breadboard. Instead of this full breadboard, we can just use this power runs only. Let me paste it here. Now power this breadboard by connecting the 5 volt pin of the Arduino to its positive side and GND pin to the blue rail of the breadboard. Next, place the servo motor at the top front of the chassis. Connect its power and ground wires to the positive and negative rail of the breadboard. Connect its signal wire of the servo motor to pin 5 on the Arduino. Now take the ultrasonic sensor with the bracket and paste it over the servo motor like this. Connect its VCC and ground pins to the positive and negative rail of the breadboard. Next, the trigger pin will be connected to digital pin 2 and the echo pin to digital pin 3. Next, move on to the Bluetooth module. Connect the VCC and GND pin of the Bluetooth module to the positive and negative rail of the breadboard. Connect the TX pin of the module to the RX pin of the Arduino. Connect its RX pin to the TX pin of the Arduino. When you send a command from our phone to Bluetooth module, the Bluetooth module will transmit that command via its TX pin to the Arduino's RX pin, and the Bluetooth modules receive the data on its RX pin. Paste the module here. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now our circuit is ready and we need to add this code. Download the code and library file given in the description below. Open the code file if you are already downloaded the Arduino IDE. Otherwise, download the Arduino IDE first. First, we include the servo.h library, which helps control the servo motor. Next, we define the pins for the ultrasonic sensor, motor driver, and servo motor. Next, we define the motor driver pins, which control the movement of the robot. In the setup function, we initialize the serial communication, set the pin modes, and attach the servo motor. Here, analog write ENA speed function and analog write enb, speed function set the speed of the motors. Now let's talk about the loop function. This is where the robot actually runs. Notice that all three control functions, obstacle, Bluetooth control and voice control, are written here, but they are commented out with slashes. If you want to run the robot in a specific mode, simply remove the slashes before the function name. For example, here the robot will run in obstacle avoidance mode when I uncomment this function. If you want to use Bluetooth control instead, you can remove the slashes before Bluetooth control, and the same goes for voice control. Now let's move to the Bluetooth control function. The robot receives command through the serial communication. If the app sends F, the robot moves forward, B for backward, L for left, R for right. Pressing S stops the robot. Now let's talk about obstacle detection. The ultrasonic sensor continuously checks for the obstacles in front. If an object is within 12 cm, the robot stops, moves back, and checks both left and right before choosing a clear path. The robot can also be controlled using a voice command through the app. Here the robot moves based on symbols sent by the voice control app. Caret symbol for forward, hyphen symbol for backward, less than symbol for left, greater than symbol for right, and asterisk symbol to stop. Let's look at how we measure distance using the ultrasonic sensor. This function sends a signal, measures the time taken to return and converts it to centimeter. Finally, these functions control the movement of the robot. Each function activates or deactivates the motor pins, making the robot move accordingly. And that's it. Now first we'll upload obstacle avoidance code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable. Before uploading the code, make sure to remove the RX and TX pin from the Arduino to avoid any upload error. Then select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. Now upload the code by clicking the upload button, and now with everything connected and code uploaded, attach the RX pins, DX pins back. Switch it on. Our obstacle avoiding robot detects obstacle using an ultrasonic sensor, stops, scans left and right, and turns in the direction with more space to continue moving forward. Alright, now back to the code. Let's uncomment the Bluetooth control function by removing these slashes, and then the slashes back to the obstacle avoiding functions. In the same way as done earlier, remove the RX and TX pins and upload this code to Arduino. You should see the LED on the Bluetooth module start blinking, indicating it is ready to pair. Next, open the Bluetooth settings of your smartphone and scan for new device. Look for a device name HC05 or HC06 and select it to pair. If prompted for a password, enter 1234 or 4 times 0. Once paired, your smartphone will remember this connection, making it easy to reconnect in future. Now open a Bluetooth control app on your smartphone. You can download the app from the link given in the description. In the app, connect to the HC05 module. The app should indicate a successful connection. With the app connected, let's test the cards function. Here are the commands you can use: forward, backward, left, right. If you want to learn more about obstacle avoiding and Bluetooth controlled robots, check out the tutorial links in the description. We have already uploaded separate videos for each. Now moving to the most exciting part, the voice controlled robot. In the code, go to the loop function. Add slashes back to the Bluetooth control function and remove them from the voice control function. Before uploading, remove the RX and TX pins from the Arduino. Once the upload is complete, reattach the pins. Download the app from the link in the description below, open it and follow the steps as shown. Open the app and connect to the paired Bluetooth module. Use voice command based on the predefined character in the Arduino code: forward, backward, left, right, stop. Speak the commands into the app's voice input. The app will send the corresponding characters to Arduino via Bluetooth. The robot will move based on the received command. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.